Okay, quick question. What color gold is? Sounds simple, right? Well, not really. When you shrink gold down to the nanoscale, it actually stops looking like gold. It can turn bright red or even purple. That was one of my favorite, wait, what? Moments in science. It's wild to think that the same material changes color just because it gets smaller. That's one of the coolest aspects of nanotechnology. At such tiny sizes, matter behaves in ways we don't expect. When gold particles are larger, like those in jewelry, they reflect light in a way that gives them that classic shiny yellow look. But if you shrink those particles to around 20 to 100 nanometers, which is thousands of times smaller than a speck of dust, something new starts happening. The electrons on the surface begin to vibrate together when light hits them. This phenomenon has a special name: surface plasmon resonance. Depending on the size of the nanoparticle, the way those electrons vibrate changes, and that means they reflect different colors. A great way to visualize this is to think of guitar strings. Bigger strings vibrate slowly and produce deeper notes, while smaller strings vibrate faster and create higher notes. Gold nanoparticles are just like those tiny strings. Change their size, change their note, change their color. And it's not just a fascinating scientific fact. This weird color-changing behavior actually has real-world applications. In medicine, gold nanoparticles can help detect diseases because they change their color when they latch onto specific molecules. In cancer research, they can soak up light and heat up just enough to target harmful cells. In tech, they're being used in rapid diagnostic tests and advanced imaging tools. So a tiny change in size becomes a powerful tool. To me, this example shows exactly why nanotechnology is so exciting. It shows that when you zoom in enough, the world reveals completely new behaviors, colors, reactions, forces that just don't exist at our everyday scale. It's like uncovering a secret version of reality that was always there, just too small for us to notice. And the best part, we're only scratching the surface of understanding and applying it. Nanotechnology might be small, but its impact is huge.